Has
Good
he
morning.
recorded?
Recording in progress.
Has he
Hello,
recorded? Okay.
Gemma.
Hello,
Hi,
Jim.
Okay. Hi everyone. Hi everyone. May
Hello.
I? Hello. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, we can. Yes,
Yes.
I can hear you.
I'm hearing myself and I don't know why. Okay, that stopped. So, how's everyone doing? How's it going? How amazing is your day going? Literally.
I'm okay. Busy week so far. Yeah.
So, I know I've not been here. I've been down so much last month. So, I'm sorry if I left you guys under the water. Sorry, and thanks Sydney for stepping up. So we had a meeting first week of June, and this is the second meeting that we're having for the month of June. Your key content. Sydney, will you help with notes or I should do that?
Okay, I can help with notes. Let me just go there.
Okay. What's today's date first?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Let me
Okay.
allow you settling in the notes first. So next week we are having a call for next week, monthly session basically, and we already have a speaker, one speaker. We need an extra one. We already have Adeyinka, she's going to be speaking, right? I think the last session we had was building a portfolio on open source. I don't know if I'm wrong or if I'm right, but I think that's it. Right, Sydney? I know you hosted it.
Yes.
Okay.
Can you hear
So,
me? Yes.
yes, I can hear you. So I am also thinking of having another person that would join Adenka for this month session, right? And I'm also looking towards the topic. So I know we had like a list of topic one time. I don't know if we should pick something from there. Okay. I can't actually find it, but then what's everyone's thoughts? What's your thoughts, Sydney? What's your thoughts, IJ?
We don't have, you can't find the list of topics. I was thinking that would have been a great place to start.
Yeah, I can't actually find it, but I think it's going to be great for us to create a list of topics.
Yeah.
I'll make a document and I'll add it here. I'll add it at the place that have the connection details, the meeting details. I'll create a document for it. I would have the list, the one that we have done. I'll create like an Excel sheet where we would input the topics, and we would also you would also have like a status toggle on the Excel sheet that would show this has been done, this was approved, this is like a suggestion. I don't know if that makes sense.
Yeah, it does.
So, but then before we create that document, because I'm already looking towards working on it, monthly session.
Where is my
What is it? So, does anyone have anything that they think we could talk about?
Currently, no, I have to just like think.
I had something in my head.
Okay.
So I had maximizing. I had maximizing your contribution, right? But I have other things like writing clean, maintainable code for open source. Like, how do you write good code or maintainable code for open source? So, Adeyinka is a software developer, and she's also the lead software software development or development working group. And we would relate this to documentation. We'll look at things like coding standards and best practices, writing good documentation and comments, creating reusable component and models. So basically a deeper aspect of technical writing. That's my thought, right? So I don't know if that's like a good session, but the thing is that I would also need somebody with same technical expertise to
As her.
also, as her, you get, to add to the conversation. I don't know if that makes more sense, right?
Yes.
Yeah, and I don't know if Sydney would also be willing to host again. Do you want to host that? I don't think I have a lot of like, I could still do research, but then, do you want to?
Well, I can, but I still have to like do research on the like still. But I can. Yes, I can, of course.
Okay, so that's what I am thinking. And is that a good topic, literally?
Since that people are looking for ways they can actually like contribute more to open source and what is it called? Like basic better documentation and all that. I think it is. But for a Twitter space, it's giving more like a webinar topic, kind of.
Okay, so the sessions that we're having, right? It's the sessions we have as technical documentation focus group. The sessions we are doing is to, one, let people know how they can contribute in open source. That's one. Two, telling people that have started contributing how to be
Okay.
better at contributing to community-based or open source communities, right? People that are already in the system, how to maximize their contributions, both in documentation and beyond documentation. But we try to like focus things around using documentation and not really telling you to do like the whole technical stuff.
Yeah.
So I'm seeing the topic as less practical, right? It's not a topic where there are going to be live sections. No, I'm seeing the topic as a conversation. So how can you write clean code? How can you maintain code for open source? So if you are contributing to open source project as a developer, as a technical writer, you need to be able to know these standards or communicate these standards. So it's a development aspect of it, of contributing, but we are using documents as a way to teach these developers that they can still be better in
Okay.
documentation if they do this thing. So that's why I'm looking at the coding standards and best practices, writing good documentation and comments for your codes. So you're seeing that documentation is still inside, right? Creating reusable components and models. So components are like things that they use in code, and if you're a technical writer, you should be able to know how a component functions, right? What the models is,
Mm.
and how to be able to go around this. Basically, understanding the theoretical aspect of it. So I don't know if that's a good topic, but where we could decide. And I still have other suggestions, right? But
Okay, no, it makes sense. I don't know if Ijoma has thoughts.
No, I don't. Okay.
Okay. So this is the topic, right? I just pasted it, and this is the sub distance that comes in.
Okay.
Like that's like the talking point around it.
Got it. Okay.
So I think that's a good session. So Peculiar posted some stuff that we can jump on the channel. I don't know if you guys have taken a look on it, right? But it's a good
Yeah,
way to
for me,
contribute
I'm
to.
working on the badging task.
Okay, okay. You're working on budget tax. It's a good one. I wish we have like a technical writer that's also still codes that could jump on this as a speaker. I don't know. I want more people to get involved, right?
In the community.
Whether in the community or outside. I know somebody that I would have reached out to, but I think is actually too late.
Who is that?
Fortune Ikechi, he's a technical writer, and I think it's too close, but I don't mind giving it a shot.
Maybe you can give it a shot now. Let's just see. The worst you can get is a no.
Okay. How about from your end? Do you have anybody? Maybe somebody from Oscar
Currently,
Fest.
currently not like off heart. I will have to like think. Yeah,
I could
I'll
reach
have
out to
to think.
somebody from Ghana. He's an open source enthusiast. He's also a leader, right, in the field. Julius, I'm trying to remember his surname, but I could reach out to somebody else from Ghana. He's a software developer and he teaches, right?
We could give that a shot. So I think we can just like give it a shot and see which of them from your end, right, would say yes. I would still
And
check on my end and see, right,
and
was
I,
yeah.
I also okay. So give me today. I'm going to text the both of them, right?
Let me add it. Course of
Yeah.
share.
I'm going to text the both of them. I don't want a situation where we have a lot of persons, right? So if the both of them agrees to jump on it, three people can actually speak on a topic. Do you
Yeah,
understand?
yeah,
Three people
yeah.
can actually speak on a topic. If one clicks, perfect. Two people, one co-host. It works perfectly for me as well.
Okay.
Yeah. I
So
also
what
think
date are we looking at?
it's the last Friday. It's usually the last Friday.
27th.
That's next week, 27th. But I want the design request to be sent tomorrow top so that by Monday we are getting that stuff, either by the end of today or tomorrow.
Okay. Ijama, do you have like any thoughts?
No, just listening. No, I don't.
No, we Jamal, it would be nice to hear you speak as well.
Yeah.
Like your thoughts are actually very important.
Also, Harmony, you know that June 4th, we didn't have session, no. It was when after we talked, after the Twitter space, you asked me to prepare the agenda. That was what I did.
Oh,
I just remembered. These were the agenda from like after the Twitter space stuff. This was it.
I see. I thought it was a conversation that you guys had.
No, we
Okay.
missed it. I was even busy. We missed it.
Okay. How about you wrote on did you write okay, that's the podcast. A blog
Yes,
on
I
the
wanted us to
podcast.
like, yeah, I thought maybe more persons can join in case anyone is having blockers because To be honest, right, I learned a lot from that Twitter space. One of the things Mary Blessing shared was like because I asked the question as regards how can people actually contribute to open source. Like I said, people especially no code contribution, right? How can they record and document that contribution? And then she shared a little experience that she got rejected for, was it not something that was supposed to like that
Yeah.
is a big deal because our GitHub start was empty. Can you hear me?
So I can hear you. I can hear you.
Yeah, our GitHub stats were like empty because like they were like, oh, you're an open source contributor, at least your GitHub stats should like have something and stuff. So she was not giving advice that if you have anything, produce it, like you should ensure that you have repos and whatever article you are going to write, whatever thing you are going to do, should just be like in a repo or something that at least the stat will just be there that you're actually doing something. Do you get? So that was one of the reasons why I wrote about this article here to show persons how they can actually maybe write theirs on GitHub and maybe submit it or something. But
I would
like
even
that
go
was
through it.
like,
So
yeah,
another
that
thing
was like,
that Chaos does is Chaos allows you to create a pull request on.
mhm.
Let me try and see if I can find the link. I know I haven't been trying to put up my contributions as well, but I'm trying to ensure that I do it for uh, these Twitter sessions, right? Mention people, create a pull request, right? So Chaos allows you to create a pull request where you talk about the work that you do and somebody is going to approve that pull request. So it shows the job that you do. It also gives you like some GitHub stuff.
Yeah,
I also
okay.
think that I don't know how efficient the badging project is for GitHub, but please let me find that message. Okay, this is the link for it.
Where is it?
I'm copying the link and pasting on the document. Sorry, I have. So I'm pasting the link for the document. So this is the link. Basically allows you to document your stuff on Chaos. And this is the issue template.
So that means we even need to have where people can actually learn about this actually.
Yeah, we can talk about it. So this is the issue template.
Hi, friend.
Sorry, give me a
Remember when
second,
you
I'm
wanted to
coming.
go to
Okay.
Yeah,
I
sorry, I
think we're
had a
done.
call. I had
Yeah,
a
I know.
call. Yeah.
So I think that's all from my table actually. I've added CTAs, so I'm going to reach out and then give feedback.
Okay. Let me just agreements. Let me just add this to it. Okay. Did you?
So,
Okay. And let me just delete this one then. Did you add the one that you create the list of?
oh, I didn't say this. I didn't say this. Please just add it.
Mm, yeah, let me add this. I'm coming.
Just, I've deleted mine instead.
Are you sure? Control
Yeah,
Z. Okay.
think that's all from my end. I don't know if there's anything.
Yeah, that's basically it. I don't know if Ijoma has something or like a question or a concern.
Okay, I have a request. So I'll be creating the sheet, the Excel sheet, right, immediately after this call. But I would need somebody that's willing to help fill in the sessions that we've done. So I want a situation where we also identify the speaker and the co-host on the list. So anybody that looks at it, anybody that also wants to be willing to be a co-host will be able to like put their name down. So just looking at the list, we'll be able to get people that want to be co-host as well. You
I'm
get, it's
volunteering
open.
Ijoma. I'm nominating her.
Yeah. Ijoma, are you good with that?
You guys, I nominate Cindy.
See, both of us is 2 against 1. Oh. We've nominated you.
I
But
nominate.
okay, I'm going to create the list. The only thing you just have to do is just go through Chaos Twitter or maybe even our channel and put in the sessions that we have done, the topics and the speaker names. That's all.
There's no
Ijoma.
problem. I'll do it.
Go EJ, go
Okay.
IJ, go IJ.
And then thank you so much, Sydney, for stepping up. And then we have been seeing your doing so on LinkedIn. Please share opportunity to technical writers if you've come across any. Please.
Definitely, definitely.
Yeah.
Thank
And
you.
ChaosCon,
And
so ChaosCon Africa, the call for speakers should be ending in 2 days' time. So I think if you're interested and you want to
I
speak in
applied
Chaos,
though. I
okay.
applied. Fingers crossed. I even applied for Oscar Fest too, but I didn't get a rejection yet. I got an email that they put me on wait list. So,
So
well,
please, it would be nice to have technical writers there. Trust me. It's nice to have us represented. Can you guys hear me?
yeah. Can hear you.
It's literally, I'll be so very happy if we get represented.
mm,
So I'm actually in 2 panel sessions in Oscar Fest.
Wow.
So I applied
wow,
for a
that's good.
talk. I applied for a panel session which was accepted. And my talks were not accepted, but I was invited for 1 panel session and I applied for 1 panel session which was accepted. So I'm in 2 panel sessions already. And
Wow.
I'm likely to be speaking in Tanzania for the Django Con Africa.
Ah, ah.
So
Hey, see the way I'm just happy
so
like this. I like what I'm hearing.
so so my August is going to be very, very hectic. But I'm here. I'm always here for us, right? So
No
please,
problem.
let's try and be sharing. So this is the link. I'm dropping a link. I think one of the things that we should add is opportunities or just resources. I'm adding a link for ChaosCon. This is ChaosCon. If you think that you want to apply to ChaosCon, CFP for ChaosCon, CFP for ChaosCon, please, this is the link. I'm also going to send the link for Kenya, PyCon Kenya. If you think you want to speak, the link is up. I think it's expiring June 20th or at the end of the month or next month. But let me send the link as well. I don't know if I'm going to be speaking there, but it would be nice to have each and every one of us represented as much.
Like
Please, please.
if we're accepted to speak, did we get sponsorship? Because
So,
ticket is
so
not cheap.
if we are
Oh.
expect,
Cynthia
I
is
don't know,
looking
I'm
for
hearing you.
work.
Please go on, ask a question.
Did you hear me? Hello?
Cindy, you're talking, but I'm not hearing you.
Hi, can you hear me? Come on.
Yeah, I can hear you, but I'm not hearing Cindy.
Maybe network issue.
Yeah.
Please, can I get the recording for the last class, please? I
Hello,
So
what
you just
will.
need
happened?
to.
I missed it.
Okay, I'll send you a link to it, but it's on Twitter, but I'll send you a link.
Also, I wanted to
Thank
ask
you.
something. Sorry, I wanted to ask something. Can I actually write an article about that Twitter space, like convert it to an article?
You can, yeah,
Okay.
icon, Togo, feel free.
Good idea.
Okay. Then one more thing, I was asking, I said if someone is accepted as a speaker for this PyCon Togo, right, would there be sponsorship because ticket is not cheap?
I don't know if there is a sponsorship for it, right? But you can just go through their website, right? So I don't know if there's sponsorship. I'm trying as much as possible. I see. The truth is, to scale very much in open source industry, you need to show up.
Yeah,
You need to share knowledge, right? So as a
true.
focus group, I'll be very happy that our people are doing great, not just in chaos, but also outside chaos, right? That's the goal. And one of the ways to do great is to talk, to educate people, to speak in conferences, to contribute to open source projects, to document, to write articles, to create content. So it's easier to say than do, right? And you don't know the opportunity that is going to take you from point B to like point Z, right? To just throw you up. So somebody told me that you don't know if you'll be taken if you don't try. I don't know if
True.
I'm making sense. So
Yeah,
the
yeah,
what's the worst case scenario? Application will be rejected, or probably there might not be enough resources to show up at the point. But you could always talk about that, oh, you are accepted to speak at this event, but the right resources, you didn't have the right resources to be able to like take yourself there and all of that. And somebody might
yeah,
just like the topic that you speak, and the conference could just reach out that, oh, you could just come and speak for us, that kind of thing. Come and speak in our conference and it's fully paid. So you never can tell. That's the point I'm trying to say.
true,
And it's about showing up. So
true.
I think it's going to be nice to be sharing some of the opportunities or things we think people can actually participate in the meetings like this.
Sure, 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 sure. Okay, okay, no problem.
Yeah, thank you.
No problem.
I don't know if there's anything. I have another meeting by 1 o'clock. I don't know if there's anything from anyone's end.
For mine, no.
Okay. Thank you
Not
so
really.
much. Thank you so much,
So I'm
everyone, for
expecting
joining.
the template. Yeah.
What did you say? Sorry.
I said I'm expecting a template from you, right?
Yeah, yeah, I'm going to send it
All right.
immediately.
All right.
And I'm also going to look for the recording for Twitter space and also send you a link.
All right. Thank you.
Gracias. Thank you so much for joining on today's session. It's a pleasure.
All right.
See you
Bye.
guys
Bye.
next month. Bye.